What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to activate noise cancellation here on your AirPods. Whether you do have, for example, AirPods Pro or a different AirPods model, as long as it has the noise cancellation feature, I'm going to show you how to turn it on in here, which is quite interesting and it works pretty well. I'll be honest, I was so impressed by the way the noise cancellation feature works, and I actually had a lot of questions like how was this able to be developed and a lot more questions as well. But without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's video. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, there we go. In order to turn on the noise cancellation, according to Apple website themselves, they say that we need to press and hold these two sides of the earphone. For example, let me quickly take this one real quick in here. Let me keep this aside, tap on X in here. As you can see, we do have these sides in here where we do have a sensitive button in here, some sort of a button that we do have here, this side as well as this side in here. So all we want to do is simply insert into our ear and then press in here once, both of the sides, front and the back, with our fingers. We simply press it and you'll feel like a vibration here with the sensor, which means that the AirPod has entered into the noise cancellation mode. Press and hold both sides and it will enter. Here we go, front and back as well. Now it's important to know which AirPod model you've got to know if the noise cancellation feature is installed or if it comes in built with the earphone or not. Now we do have a couple settings in here that we also can set through settings here on your iPhone. For example, hop into settings real quick. Next up, simply open up your AirPods. Okay, it's going to show up in here. Let me just insert the other ear. There we go. Let me first connect. Okay, I wasn't connected yet. There we go. I'm already connected. Let me tap on X. So once I'm connected here into settings, I'm going to hop into my AirPod settings. And down here, we do have this option which says noise cancellation. Okay, so we do have transparency. And then if I simply remove the earphone and put it into my ear, I can turn on noise cancellation or simply keep on changing from one of these features in here, right? So if you tap on noise cancellation, the noise cancellation feature will be turned on real quick, right? Now, if you scroll down in here for better results, for example, let me remove both of the ears and put both of them within my ear. I'm gonna scroll down in here and then we do have an option which says ear tip fit test. Okay, so it's right here. Let me scroll down a bit more, and then here we do have ear tip fit test. So tip fit test pretty much is a feature that allows us to check the fit of the AirPods ear tips to determine which size provides the better seal and the best acoustic performance. So we know that we do have these rubbers in here and they can actually be changed. So you want to make sure that you're using the right size in order to achieve a better result in here with the noise cancellation. So rubber pretty much plays a very important role in here. So you want to tap on ear tip fit test in order to check which size is the best for you. So by testing this, we'll check the audio quality, which will also improve, as well as the noise cancellation because you'll be having a good seal. Tap on continue, and then here it's going to ask you to put both of the earphones in a comfortable position to test the fit. So simply insert into your ears, tap on play, and then wait for a couple seconds in here, and this is how it goes. The test will start, so you do not need to remove the earphones. And next up, you'll simply tap here on done, and next up it's going to let you know, for example, which ear you need to adjust. For example, adjust or try a different ear tip, and here as well both of them. So you want to adjust it a bit by inserting properly into your ear, or you want to, for example, change the earbud, and then once you're done changing the earbud or adjusting, tap on play, wait for a couple more seconds, and there we go. As you can see, we do have a good seal right now. I've just calibrated and found the best size of the earbuds and as well as inserted it properly. Next up, simply tap on done in here, and you've successfully calibrated your earphones in here so you can have a much better seal in here. Now, if you're still facing issues in here, I would recommend you guys to clean your earbuds, right? For example, so we do have in here our earphone. Simply take an earbud. They don't have an earbud, so I'm going to use a toothpick just to showcase it to you in today's video. Insert and see if you remove any sort of dirt that you've got in there. Next up here, outer side as well, remove as much dust as you can or simply the dirt that you've got in there. So you want to clean it to the max and ensure that your AirPod gets clean. You want to perform the same thing on the other AirPod as well. Now, once you've done cleaning both both of the earphones, we're going to perform the same ear tip test by inserting the earphone into our ear and recalibrating it from scratch. Now, once you've done that, if it still doesn't work, the noise cancellation feature, I would recommend you guys to update your earbuds in here or your earphones, right? Now, in order to update it, it's quite easy. All you want to do is simply hop into settings real quick and then tap here on the AirPods while they're connected. You want to scroll down here, down all the way to the AirPod model. Propis po fazer blurred serial number. So in here, you want to tap on version and you'll be able to see the version of the phone, the version of the firmware that it's running or the software, as well as the case version as well. So we've got 8B28. This is the version. So once you've done seeing this, you want to tap here on support.apple.com and then down here, you want to check the latest firmware existing for your AirPod. For example, check it here, check it here, check it here. In my case, I'm running the latest one already. In case it's not the latest one, then only the update will be possible done. So what you want to do next is simply lock your phone and make sure that it's connected to a Wi-Fi network. You need to have a Wi-Fi network, otherwise this will not work. Close it, keep it aside, and then simply put back in the earphones inside the case, close them, and connect the charger. Make sure that it's charging by lighting here color connected, and then while it's connected, keep it side to side to your phone and let your phone like this for 30 minutes alongside your AirPods. Your phone will automatically update your AirPods to the latest version, and this will improve if you're facing any issue with noise cancellation there, because you might be having a bug or a glitch that was actually corrected with the update. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you have any question or doubt so we can discuss it further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues, or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people and, of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech-related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section, within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here, so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.